Devin! He's gonna go, dude, he's gonna go face first into this brick wall.
I want to laugh.
No, he's gonna lose his teeth.
I'm still going to laugh.
Oh my god. They're gonna do it again? Jesse, you gotta stay out of the way.
What the hell is he doing?
He's all like, I'm gonna put my stuff away. Mom! You need to push him further over here.